Well, the latest destination on the ITU World Cup schedule took in Cagliari on the Italian island of Sardinia. A big men's field, 62, including Alistair Brownlee, who was making his comeback in a first race for him since being disqualified in the grand final on the Gold Coast last year. Well, vital ranking points up for grabs, with Olympic qualification very much in everybody's minds as well. And on the beach, over the sprint distance, a 750-metre swim, just one lap out into the sea. Quite rough conditions for the athletes to contend with early on in the swim. But once they got through those initial breakers, they were very much into their stride. And this really was an eagerly anticipated race. Justus Nieschlag, the German who won in Madrid 2 weeks ago, was first out of the water. Mark de Vey from Hungary and Alistair Brownlee were right on his heels as the elite men came out all at once almost, it seemed, and made their way into transition. The 140-metre run to the transition zone before getting out on the bikes, and the 20 kilometres, 5 laps of 3.8 kilometres, and it was a big group set to ride on the bike, which always works well when you're trying to build up a lead over the chase group. Good crowds to watch this latest race on the ITU World Cup circuit as well. As you can see, it was a wetsuit swim with slightly cool water temperatures, but Nieschlag was quickly away. De Vey right behind him, as was Brownlee. Nieschlag, who'd beaten fellow German Lars Lurs in a photo finish in Madrid just 2 weeks before, clearly in very good form at the moment. And there was a group of around 12 that started to pull away from the chase group. Brownlee said ahead of the race he was going to ride aggressively, and he was in the lead pack that came into transition. They'd all stayed together pretty well. Brownlee, one of the first to rack his bike, wearing number 52 in the race, being well down the rankings at the moment. Nieschlag with a quick transition. Kevin McDowell, the American, who just missed out on the podium in Madrid, was also involved in that lead group as well. So 12 left transition together, but they soon started to get spread out as the race wore on. Davide Uccelari, who'd finished in third place last year, looking to emulate Dalian Statev, who'd won here in 2018, his fellow countryman. But Brownlee really set the pace, doing what he does best. He hadn't raced in this short format of the triathlon for some 4 years, but he had enough grit and determination near the end to sprint for the finish line. Nieschlag wasn't too far behind him, but Brownlee, with a grit of the teeth, crossed the line first for another podium finish. Top of the pile, Justus Nieschlag took the silver, and it was the American Kevin McDowell that came across the line in third to complete another great race for the American.
I thought I'd struggle a bit on the run today. I knew I didn't have that top end form, but I just was trying to run at my own pace and make it hard, and I just said to myself, you know, with about a couple of minutes to go, no one can push harder than me, so if they're going to beat me, they're going to have to go really deep.
It was an incredibly fast race as well, and you were there from the start. You said before it was maybe about how you were feeling as much as the result. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I felt good. I mean, I knew the swim was going to be tough from that a tough start position, and that's going to be harder the next few races I do as well, but I swam myself up fine to get out of the water in third or fourth, so I was pleased with that. The bike, yeah, it was just a bit tactical, trying to get the group moving, and had a few little breaks, and on the run, yeah, I mean, it was running until that last K, and to be honest, I didn't think I was going to win, and I just told myself, I was like, come on, commit, and yeah, I did.